Hey guys, I'm back at Home Depot checking out the deals they have going on for this week, and I'm starting off here in the clearance section. They have now something we've been keeping an eye on is the Ryobi 3-pack of the starter kit. 3 batteries. It's 2 4 amp hour and 1 2 amp hour battery and charger. It's now down to $100.25. It was $169. This was the starter pack that was from the Ryobi days when they did it for $199 and then included a free tool. But at $100, that's a pretty good deal right now for the 3 batteries. Another deal they have going on is for the Rigid Pro Gear handle. This is what would be attached to the Rigid toolbox. They have that now priced at only $25. It was $50, and you're able to attach the different Rigid toolboxes to it. So it turns it into a cart, which is pretty nice. It's a pretty good deal at $25. So if you're a Makita guy, you might want to check out the clearance at your store. They have here the Makita trimmer and blower combo kit, which are currently out of stock at this store. But they do have a clearance price at only $144, and it was $359. And it does include the battery and charger as well. So that's a pretty good deal for Makita, something you don't see very often. And they have a clearance deal on the Ryobi 40-volt 20-inch push mower. It's rated at compared to 150cc gas mower. It has up to a 45-minute run time, ideal for a half acre. It does come with a 6 amp hour battery, and the clearance price is now $279. It was $399. And if you're in need of some yard tools, they have DeWalt ones here, and they actually have some on clearance. So to give you an example, they have a scraper tool by DeWalt. It's on clearance for $14.38. It was $40. Then they have a post hole digger by DeWalt on clearance for $47. It was $70. And also on clearance from DeWalt is a 5-inch clean out shovel for $27. It was $40. And they have a DeWalt 24-tine steel leaf rake on clearance for only $23, and it was $35. And they have this pair of Corona Classic Cut thinning snips. It's like little scissors. You could do trim work with it. They have that on clearance for only $10.03. It was $20. And also on clearance, they have the Husky Pruner holster on clearance for $12. It was $15. And they also have on clearance the Corona Classic Cut grass shear. Cuts through sod and resharpens. It's resharpenable blades. They have that on clearance for $15.03, and it was $30. All right, here's the Milwaukee deal they are still doing, and it's when you buy one of these qualifying solutions, whether it's the 2-tool combo kit with the drill and impact driver, or the hammer drill and impact driver for $3.99, or the 4-tool combo kit for $4.99. And also one of these qualifying tools. You got many different options here. Then you get a free 5 amp hour battery, which is a $169 value. It's a pretty decent deal. You do have until November 3rd for this deal, so you do have some time on it. This would be considered a hackable deal where you can return the battery or the tool and get the prorated amount back. Then here's some different things offered by Milwaukee. They have the snapback bump cap for $35, and this is what it looks like. So it has like a Velcro patch here, so you can put your own patch on it. But the thing that's unique about it is that it is a bump cap. It has like a little hard plastic shell on the inside that helps prevent nails and other items to go through it and helps protect your head. So it's a pretty decent hat there without having to wear a full-blown hard hat for only $35 there. They do have polarized performance safety glasses with the gasket for $40. And they have the clear dual coat safety glasses for $20. Then they have the mirrored anti-scratch lenses for $17.88. Then they have a regular pair of safety glasses for $8. You can go with the cut level 3 winter dipped gloves for $10.88, and they have cut level 1 winter dipped gloves for $7.88. Another offering from Milwaukee is the 4-piece M2 steel screw extractor set. This is what it looks like right here. I recommend having these on hand. They're great at extracting screws. And I have a different set, not Milwaukee, but I have one of these in my tool bag, and it's come in handy multiple times to help remove screws. It's only 22 bucks from Milwaukee. Another Milwaukee offering is the Shockwave Impact Duty 60-piece drill and drive set for 35 bucks. It was 50. Then they also have Milwaukee the Red Helix 23-piece Cobalt drill bit set. This is what it looks like right here. And it goes from size 1/8 inch all the way up to 3/8 inch in size. That's priced at 50 bucks. It was 68.47. And they have the 50-piece general purpose utility blades with dispenser. They have that on sale for $10.97. That's 22 cents per blade. Then they have aviation snips. This is the straight cutter snips, 10-inch ones for 16 bucks. Then they have the regular cut level 1 nitrile dipped gloves for $5.47. They have the Impact Cut Level 3 nitrile dipped gloves for 22 bucks. These look pretty nice. It has nice protective, like rubber padding on the outside to protect your knuckles and fingers. So those are 22 bucks. Then they have the Impact Cut Level 5 goat skin leather gloves for $36. This is what they look like. These look pretty nice gloves. 36 bucks. And here's some Milwaukee M12 deals. They have buy one of these tools or kits. So for example, you can get the cable stapler for $249, the 3/8 ratchet for $149, the 1/4-inch hex screwdriver kit that does include 2 batteries and a charger for 99 bucks. Then you can get a 2-pack of the 1.5 amp hour batteries. That's a $99 value for free when you buy one of those solutions there. Other options they have from Milwaukee is the M18 floodlight kit for $149. That includes a battery as well as a charger and then a pen light. And then for $129, they have the 2-piece auto lighting kit that includes the neck light that is ran by the red lithium USB battery, and then the light with the 12-volt battery and charger for $129. Then they have the M12 mounting fan for 99 bucks. Then they have the top-off power supply and charger for 69 bucks. Now I'm in shock. There's actually another Makita deal on clearance. It's the Impact Driver Kit. Does include a battery and charger. It's on clearance for $260. It was $299. And the other Milwaukee deals they are currently offering is for the M18. It's when you buy one of these 3 tools. So for example, for $279 you get the belt sander. Also $279 is the 1/2-inch mid-torque impact wrench with the friction ring. And $179 is the tire inflator. Then you get one of these tools for free when you purchase the starter kit, which is 2 6-amp hour batteries and a charger for $299. Another option they have is you buy this starter kit for $219. You get a 5-amp hour battery and charger. Then you have your option of either getting the Surge impact driver or the drywall screw gun for free. They're running these deals until October 26th, so you do have some time on them. Definitely worth a pickup if you're in the market for any of these tools. And more Milwaukee M12 deals they are still offering. You buy this starter kit, which is 2 5-amp hour batteries and charger for $199. Then you have your option of these free tools. So you can get the oscillating multi-tool, 1/4-inch straight die grinder, 3-inch compact cutoff tool, the submersible stick water transfer pump, the hex driver impact driver, that is the fuel model, the crown stapler, Bluetooth job site speaker, the spot blower, compact inflator, soldering iron, the grease gun, the 3/8 high-speed ratchet, or the 6-inch pruning saw. All those options you can get for free when you purchase that starter kit. Then another option they have for $129, you get a 2-pack of the 2-amp hour batteries and charger for $129. Then you get one of these select tools for free, which is the 1/4-inch hex impact driver. That is the fuel model as well. The soldering iron, the crown stapler, compact inflator, the Bluetooth job site speaker, or the spot blower. They're running these deals until October 26th, so you do have time on these as well. And more M18 options they have. When you buy one of these select tools, you get a free 2 amp hour battery. So the options are the 2-tool combo kit. These are the brushed drill and impact driver with 2 batteries and a charger for $199. The cutout tool for $149. The random orbit sander, the 5-inch one for $149. This is the newer version one. Then they have the 2-gallon wet dry vacuum for $139, the compact blower for $129, or the 18-volt multi-tool for $149. This is not the fuel one, it's the regular brush model. So again, you buy one of these select tools and you get the free 2 amp hour battery. That's a $109 value there. This Milwaukee 8-piece multi-tool blade set comes with these different blades. That's good for cutting multi-materials as well as hardwood and regular wood. So and it comes in a nice clear plastic case with a handle. They have this on a special for $59.97 and it was $70. Another option is the Milwaukee Sawzall blades. It's 16 pieces total, and it includes some torch blades as well. It's good for cutting thick metal and medium metal. They also says it comes with 2 free torch blades with carbide teeth. They have that on a special for $28. They say it's a $70 value for those. And then here's another oscillating blade set. It's a 2-piece set for extreme metal and extreme materials. It has nitrous carbide, longest life. They are made in the USA. It says it has a free blade over $24 value. This is also priced at $25. They say it's a $50 value there. And here's another case pack they recently brought out from Milwaukee. They have the 550 lumen stick light with a magnet for $99. The 600 lumen low profile headlamp for $70. The 500 lumen USB-C rechargeable compact magnetic task light. They have that for $65. Then they have a 2-pack of the 100 lumen pen light with clips for $30. And the 350 lumen headlamp, that's for $35. This is not a rechargeable one. It uses 2 AA or 2 AAA batteries, same as the pen lights that are uses 4 AAA batteries between the two. And other Milwaukee case packs that they put out, you can get the vented hard hat with 4-point ratcheting suspension, Type 1 Class C, for $25. You can get a 3-pack of the safety glasses anti-scratch lenses for $22. With a 3-pack of the anti-scratch safety glasses that are tinted for $22 as well. You can get a 6-pack of the level 1 nitrile dipped gloves for $20. Or the Class 2 high visibility safety vest for $22. Other options they have for Milwaukee is the Bolt white vented safety helmet. It's a Type 2 Class C helmet for $99. The kneeling pad for $40. And you get lightweight gloves for $16. Other Milwaukee options they have for $20 each is the hybrid t-shirt. It is short sleeve and it comes in these different colors. So it's $20. It's a new lower price. It used to be $25. Then they have the hybrid tee long sleeve shirt for $25. It was $30. And they have the pullover hoodie. It was $55 and they're $50 now. And more Milwaukee options they have your choice of $20. You can get the folding jab saw, the 14-in-1 ratcheting multi screwdriver set, 8-inch long nose pliers, or the 7-inch wire strippers with wire and bolt cutter. So your choice, $20 there. And they do have a deal on the Warner 6-foot fiberglass step ladder. It's rated for up to 300 pounds. The deal price is at $109 and it was $139. Those are going to be the best tool deals I could find for this week at Home Depot. Be sure to like and subscribe and I'll see you next time. Thanks.